How to repost on Instagram. So, first of all, we'll be discussing how you can repost a story. So, you would need to be mentioned in a story in order for you to be able to repost it directly. So, for example, I have been mentioned here in this story. So, basically, you need to go here into your messages and basically just tap on the conversation here that says mentioned you in your story. And from here, you would now be able to see the add to your story button right here because Instagram would notify you that someone mentioned you in your story. So just simply tap on the add to your story button. And then from here, you would now be able to edit the story however you'd want to style it or whatsoever. And then from here, just tap on the your story button, close friends, or the right arrow icon right here to now proceed in reposting this story and depending on how you'd want to share it. So tap on share and then done. And then that's it. You have now successfully reposted a story here on Instagram. And now next is that if you would want to repost a post, then what you'd need to do is go to the post. For example, this one, tap on the share icon just beside the comment icon at the bottom. And from here, you would want to scroll sideways and then you'd be able to see that you'd be able to send this into messenger messages, and then you can also add this to your own story or repost this to your story by tapping here on this button just like that, as you can see. And you also have some other options in here, so let's tap here again. You also have a Snapchat, Facebook, X, and Threads. But if you would want to repost this on Instagram as a new post, then basically you need to tap on Facebook. And then it will now redirect you in here into Facebook. And from here, what you need to do is tap on the Instagram icon, which is right here. So tap on that. And then just basically turn that on. As you can see, this is turned off in my case because my Instagram account is not connected to my Facebook account here, which is why it is requiring me to sign in. But if yours is connected, then you would be able to turn it on easily. And all that's left is to tap on the post button here, and then it will now be posted on Facebook as well as in your Instagram.